Hey Subbies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, welcome back to another reaction video. Yeah, so if you haven't yet subscribed, what you doing? Click that red button that's down here. Also like, give me a huge thumbs up, comment, and share this video. Yes. And if you have subscribed already, you know what to do. Like, comment, and share. Yes, because I post reaction videos every week from Monday to Saturday. And I do my original videos from on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday at 3 p.m. Yes. So yeah. Today I'm gonna do a reaction of Angelina Jordan. Feeling good. Is it feeling good? Let's look. So I'm gonna do the reaction on this phone right here. Yeah, so it's feeling good, and it's live on stream. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get straight into this video. 1, 2, 3, go.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me.
She's such a pretty young girl.
Feeling good. In the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace, one day is done, that's what I mean. And this whole world is a new world, and this whole world for me. And I'm feeling
I'm feeling good.
when you shine, you know how I feel. Scent of the vine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom
OMG, y'all. OMG. Feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. You know how I feel. You know. Oh my God. If Angelina Jordan, yeah, make you feel good, make you feeling good, everything, please subscribe. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. Don't be scared to subscribe. Don't be scared at all to click that, that red button down there. Subscribe for more, cause y'all. And also get me to 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. If you don't have nothing to do or give me for my birthday, give me 1,000 subscribers for my birthday. If everyone subscribed to me right now, yeah, I got a lot of subscribers. I'll reach my goal, because 1,000 subscribers is my goal for before my birthday or for my birthday. So I want to wake up on my birthday and get 1,000 subscribers. Yes. Also, yes, do all those good things. Like, comment, subscribe, ricochet bell, so you guys don't get notified every time when I post another video, another reaction video too, because I'm starting to do reaction videos every single day. Do you hear that? Do you hear what I just say? Every single day. Yes, every single day I'm gonna do reaction videos for y'all. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, because reaction videos coming every day. Every day in the morning. It's gonna come in the morning, every day in the morning. So without further ado, I gotta go, because I gotta react to more videos today. So I gotta stock up on some videos, react to them, and post them for y'all. So I'll see you guys in the next reaction video that will be coming tomorrow. So bye. Also, comment down below what you want me to react to next. So bye. Oh, just right.